Okay, so I am in the middle of finding my placement for these, and let me show you what this comes with. So you got your strips here, you have your instruction manual, and it comes with remote. You have all these different settings, different colors. It comes with 2 batteries. There's a battery in here, and then you have an extra battery. This is the cord that goes to the wall, and it hooks up to this adapter. So these 2 hook up to the light strips. I don't know if I'll be using this. I haven't really seen what this is for, but these are what I need right now. And there's little brackets that I don't know if I'll be using these because these stick. So I'm going to stick these to the wall. You pull this up. I'm going to stick these when I find the way I want to put them, and then I'll go from there. I'll go from there and see if I need to do anything else to fasten it up. But let me show you a few of these colors. Let me turn the light off. The light is on, so the light is off there. And you got your reds. There's different settings within there. And there will be some greens, and there will be some kind of blues and purples. And this is like a white kind of a color. So, and then there's different like pulsings, and then there's ones that'll kind of, it goes back and forth from, red to blue to green, that kind of thing. So just mess around with the settings, and pretty easy. Just take your time and figure out the placement, because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not going to just start unsticking this and start. I'm going to figure out where I'm going to place them, and then I'll start doing that. So hope that helps, and you have yourself a wonderful day.